Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete files and folders in Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, turn on your computer and wait for Windows 11 to fully load. Give it a moment to boot up completely before proceeding with the next steps. Once your PC is ready and you're on the desktop, the process of deleting files or folders is actually quite straightforward. Start by opening File Explorer or any folder on your computer. You can do this by clicking the folder icon on your taskbar or simply double-clicking on any folder shortcut you have on your desktop. Now navigate to the location where the file or folder you want to delete is stored. This could be in your documents, downloads, desktop, or any other directory on your system. Take your time to locate the specific item you wish to remove. Once you've found the file or folder you want to delete, simply right-click on it. This will bring up a context menu with various options for managing that item. The context menu provides several actions you can take, but for now you'll focus on the delete function. From the list of options that appears in the context menu, look for and click on delete. This action will remove the selected file or folder from its current location. Keep in mind that when you delete an item this way, it doesn't disappear permanently right away. Instead, it's moved to the recycle bin, which acts as a safety net in case you accidentally delete something you need later. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a file or folder from your Windows 11 computer using the right-click method. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.